Howdy guys, IndyCooey70. I'm coming at you frog toad style. Wanted to go ahead and do a quick video. I mentioned about a deer blind heater, or I first did this in a duck blind on Lake Palestine when I was about 12. My dad showed me, and it's really pretty simple. It's a lot like the rocket stove, but for our little experiment today, got a pad, part of a can, some John Wayne toilet paper here. It's rough and tough and doesn't take crap off anybody. Got a lighter, and we have some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that's you kind of get hosed at the dollar store if you go in there, because you need the alcohol to be at least 70%. And I was looking at the dollar store, the last couple of days, and I've seen a lot of 50% stuff. And I can do another video on, actually distilling the water and distilling the alcohol out of the water and all that stuff. But today, I said, we've got a part of a little Coke can here. And we're going to take some of our John Wayne toilet paper here. We're going to fold it, roll it up, and stuff it down in there, in our can. We're going to take our alcohol here, and we're going to soak our toilet paper. Let that soak for just a minute or two. Then we're going to take our lighter and light it up. And that makes a dandy little flame. It's not going to jump out and blow up anybody. Would be careful if you have small children or pets that like to get up and climb on stuff. But that puts out a pretty significant amount of heat for just that little bit of stuff you've got there. Now you can keep it from flaming up as much by adding just a little bit of water to it. It's you don't want to get it down below about 70%. I said this being 91%, it's going to burn pretty vigorously, but it's I said really easy to do. I said, and if the power was to go out, there's a pretty good chance you've got a Coke can, you've got some toilet paper, and probably some alcohol under the bathroom sink, and that would probably be enough to warm up a small room, keep it tolerable. And it shouldn't make an oxygen deficient environment, because it's it's going to burn up some oxygen. But as long as you have a fairly well ventilated home, it's not going to be that big a deal. And anyway, figured I'd go ahead and show this off. It's like I said, really not that hard to do, and it does put out quite a bit of heat. It feels really nice. I said, I'm just using the pot holder here, because if I burn a spot in my wife's teak table, she will beat me to death. That would suck. But anyway, I figured I'd go ahead and get y'all up to speed on this. This will burn for quite a long time, and the toilet paper pretty much acts like a wick, and it'll go for a good while. And I've still got plenty left if I need more. So I said, you're never as helpless as you think you are. And I know a lot of you people up north that have snowstorms and power lines going down, and most of y'all have an alternative heat source that's not electric. But sometimes down here we have a lot of all electric homes down here on the coast, and on the freak occasion when we do get a snowstorm, or not snowstorm but even ice storm, power lines go down or anything, there's a lot of people that are just damn cold. So this would help out on something like that. It's puts out a lot more heat than tea lights and candles. But anyway, like I said, there's my deer blind heater, and if you wanted to go a little bit bigger on this, which is what I've done typically in the past, is you take a coffee can, you take your whole roll of John Wayne toilet paper, you shove it in there, put your alcohol in it, and you've got that times about 5. That makes for a really good. It'll keep a duck blind nice and toasty even when it's in the teens outside. So it's very doable. Like I said, it's not a whole lot of extra gear to carry. We actually had everything we needed to do it that one day when we were out, and made a pretty good impression on me. It's like, yeah, this will work. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good evening, and I'll talk to y'all later.